Roman mar koto Francis Atuoli odok ne kata osiro paro mano mabende ne ogol kod doho mar ni kik akwede bede e kind jotije go mago mabende ondike yono ma ongirore kaachiel kod mago mabende ok ondike yono ma ongirore. Ne otwak kod jofwamb weche boma mano ma Nairobi kama bende Atuoli ne okwayo jogo mago mabende ondiko jotije e tich ni giwegi thuolo mano mar riwruok kod riwruoge mago mabende biro bedo ka kedo ne ratich gi.
At employers and those who are involved, because we have so many agencies, private companies that have hired people that they use them as merchandise, as slave trade to whoever wants to hire them, and then they are underpaid. You find that somebody who comes to your enterprise or he has been employed where you are working, you are doing the same job, the same education you have, and this person is paid a half of what you are getting, and this has made employers to negate their primary requirement of making sure to negate from their primary requirement of making sure that there is fair labor practices in our country. So I think this ruling is a milestone. We'll have to most of our unions into application of the modern industrial relations practice in this country.